The DenTeach Basic Edition Package is designed with a compact layout, ideal for students embarking on their dental education journey. It comes equipped with all the necessary tools for students to hone their skills and techniques, paving their way to become accomplished dental professionals. Included in the package are essential dental training items, an adjustable camera, and a real-feel sensor that captures the user's hand motion characteristics. This sensor is adaptable to any handpiece and offers valuable feedback on student performance. Upon accessing the DenTeach software, both students and instructors are directed to a screen. Here, instructors can create courses and task segment students into groups, while students can enroll in courses, given they have a unique enrollment code provided by the professor. Highlighting its capabilities, DenTeach boasts features like augmented reality, force vibration feedback, the ability for instructors to conduct live sessions, and efficient class management tools. During these live sessions, students can pose questions anytime, with the software granting them the flexibility of communication. They can easily switch between high-speed and low-speed handpieces. Instructors have the autonomy to set due dates, schedule report email notifications, and modify live grade settings. Altering the live grade setting will reflect results in real time based on data from students' live and practice sessions. This data, recorded in 3 distinct motions, offers invaluable insights into student performance. Upon wrapping up live and practice sessions, students receive feedback on their performance, allowing them to compare their results with the instructors. The software allows students to practice an unlimited amount of time, but permits only one submission based on which students will be graded on, integrating a feature called Learning Curve Analysis. This evaluates all practice attempts, presenting insights into students' progress across multiple trials. Additionally, instructors can upload lecture notes, accessible by students anytime, anywhere. The augmented reality feature educates students on the correct handling of dental handpieces. Notably, the vibration feedback box alters its color depending on the pressure exerted on a tooth. For grading, instructors can either craft a rubric from scratch or select one from the preloaded DenTeach rubric library. They also have the option to upload tutorials or extensive pre-recorded lectures, offering students a deeper comprehension of dental procedures. DenTeach is the leading platform for emerging dental professionals, aiming to excel in the field of dentistry. If you'd like to explore its extensive capabilities further, please feel free to reach out to us.